The eufy E20 Robot Vacuum Combo is a versatile cleaning solution, offering a 3-in-1 design that includes handheld, stick, and robot vacuum modes for comprehensive cleaning flexibility. With a powerful suction capability of up to 30,000 Pascals in handheld mode, this vacuum effectively tackles dirt and debris on both carpets and hard floors. One of its standout features is the self-emptying function, allowing the vacuum to operate for up to 75 days without needing to be emptied, providing exceptional convenience to users. The Pro-Detangle technology ensures that the vacuum brush stays clean and tangle-free, minimizing maintenance and maximizing cleaning efficiency. It boasts a 5-stage filtration system that captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, promoting a healthier home environment. Smart obstacle avoidance technology and advanced navigation systems enable the vacuum to smoothly navigate around obstacles, ensuring unimpeded cleaning performance.